Hey, welcome to the show. Today we are going to be drawing an Easter bunny, and we're going to tell you how an Easter bunny makes its eggs.
But we just think it is the way.
Maybe a possibility. All right, stay tuned. Hey, welcome back to the show. Today in the show, we're going to be making an Easter egg making machine. But before that, I have a joke for you, Lucas. What do you call a group of rabbits going backwards?
Easter bunnies walking backwards.
Close. A receding hairline. Anyway, let's get started. What I want you to do is you're going to draw a line from here to there, and this will be the bottom part of your conveyor belt. We're going to make a conveyor belt for our Easter bunny. And then you're going to draw another line right above that.
You just told to do the bottom line.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, do the bottom line. And then we're going to draw another straight line right above that.
I want to get a chocolate bar.
Okay.
I get a chocolate
Just like that. Now, on the sides of this, what I want you to do is make it round. And don't go all the way to the edge, because we need to put our Easter basket right here.
What here can I do?
Yeah, so leave an opening right here. So right here on the side here, I want you to make just kind of a curve to go in like this. That's okay, it doesn't have to be perfectly straight. And then another curve right there. This will be our conveyor belt. You're saying, conveyor belt for Easter? Well, stay tuned, stay with us. We're going to explain it.
Abby was touching on my foot.
Now we're going to draw a circle right inside of here.
I know, Dad. That's so easy.
And another circle over on this side.
So it can move.
Yes, so the conveyor belt can move. And then we're going to draw one right in the middle. And it's like when you're practicing your handwriting in school, you're making O's, but you want them to touch both of the lines. And then right in the middle of those two circles, we'll draw another two circles here.
So it can go faster.
And if we go too fast for you, you can always pause the video.
Otherwise, if you miss it, you can always go back.
Exactly. Okay, now in each of these circles, what I want you to do is draw another circle.
Oh, why?
All right, just like this. And another circle inside of that one. Another circle.
Can I do another circle inside of it?
You could draw a dot if you wanted to. And now from this circle to the other circle, we're going to draw some lines like that. And this is going to represent our wheel that turns our conveyor belt.
So it can move faster enough to...
Yeah.
So it can move... So it can get all the further in the world.
So go ahead and finish our lines here. A lot of fun. Just have fun drawing. You can't make any mistakes as long as you're having fun. All right, from here to there, all the way down, you're going to draw another straight line right about here. And then another straight line right above that. And keep on doing that. And we're just adding a little bit of eye candy, a little dimension to our conveyor belt. All right. And then inside of that, you can always put some lines if you want to. Add a little texture.
Maybe it'll look like I did.
And then at the end, we can always color this in. Okay. Now, at the bottom of this page, just from here to there, not very far up, just kind of draw a ground level. So this is kind of like the ground a little bit. All right. Put it all the way across there. And then from each of these wheels, I want you to draw a straight line going down like this. And this is what's going to hold your conveyor belt above the ground. You're doing a really good job there, Lucas. And if you want to, you can make some fancy little triangles down below for like more support.
Yeah. So it doesn't fall, right?
Exactly, so it doesn't fall over.
Mm.
And then if you want to, you can always put a couple little eye candy dots in there, a little texture. So right here we're going to make a box, and it's going to go up. So draw a line not too far up, just about like that. And then it come across here. And then come down, but don't come all the way. Stop right about here, okay? Then we're going to draw some kind of lines that are on an angle like this. So when the eggs fall, the eggs are going to be right here and they're going to fall down.
You go to the exact line, right?
Mm-hmm. Just like that.
So it doesn't go into the wrong line.
And inside of each of these little rectangles, you can just add some texture to it. And you can color it if you want to. Just to make it kind of look good.
This is so...
So what we're going to be making above here is called a goosekin. A goosekin is a special bird found on a very tall mountain,
Well,
and it's well, we think it's a goosekin. It's part goose and part chicken, and it lays chocolate eggs. So I'm going to switch over to a different pin, just because I'm going to have to do a little bit more detail in drawing here. For the goosekin, what you want to do is draw two eyes, just like this, a circle, and then another half circle. And then right here, I'm going to come down for its beak. And then I'll draw some feathers up here, just some very long ovals. All right, you can have fun decorating your goosekin. And I'm going to make it look like it's going to be laying. So I'm going to draw some tail feathers.
You can make it like...
And now I'm bringing it down and I'm stopping. I didn't finish my goosekin here. I might bring this part here up and finish its beak here. And then I'm going to make look like some wood from a nest. So we're going to draw some sticks and things like that, so I can use my other marker. Just like that. Just drawing some long triangles here and there. Not too far up. Just make it look like it's going to be laying. And if you want to, you can always color this later, but this will be like the color brown. It's just, this is the goosekin's nest. And the idea is that it's going to lay eggs, and the eggs fall through a hole right here, and then they come down these little ramps. But I'll be drawing more eggs as we go. So right now I'm going to continue on with this first. Now on this conveyor belt, there's going to be a box right here, and this will be our painting machine. So let me go ahead and draw that.
Painting machine.
So I'm going to start right here. I'm going to put a little dot right there. And then I'm going to put another dot right about here.
Mine's not going to be too big.
Okay. So I'm going to come up right about here. And then I'm going to come across and then go back up. Then come across like this. On this side, I'm also going to do the same. Going up, go out like this, and come up, and then I'll join my two lines right here. I'm going to call this the Painter 2000. Painter 2000. And now what I'm going to do is inside this machine right here, I'm just going to put some cool little buttons and fancy levers. So for doing the fancy little buttons and all those things, you just draw some rectangles and circles and just put them in kind of neat little patterns. Nothing special, it's just eye candy. Make it look kind of neat. Maybe an antenna that goes up. Maybe another little gadget here. This will have some electricity going through it. A couple more levers here.
I know what to do. Maybe I'll have something so like you can make electricity so it never dies.
Oh, okay, like solar powered?
Yeah.
That would be neat.
So it doesn't die.
And I'll put some electricity things here.
Is that making electricity?
That's using electricity.
To power it up?
Yeah.
Mine doesn't have to lose electricity because it's just powering it out.
Okay, now right here I am going to be putting a basket on the end. So I'm just going to have a line. The start of the line will be right here. Here's the other one. And I'm not going to come straight down. I'm going to have a little bit of an angle like this. And so this will be kind of a bigger basket. Come across like that. And then we'll put the handle right here. Okay. And for the basket, you can make some texture on there. Like some lines just kind of going sideways.
You can make any kind of design.
Yeah.
It's your choice.
This will be like a little Easter basket here.
It's your choice to make what kind of designs you want.
Just fun drawing, isn't it?
How about the eggs? No eggs are coming, so no.
That's right. We got to start making the eggs.
So,
And so what this machine does is it'll take the eggs, and when it goes through the Painter 2000, it enlarges the eggs a little bit, and it also paints them. And that'll be the fun thing that when you're having fun coloring the eggs. Remember, the eggs are not just perfectly round. They're kind of a little bit oval, like that.
but they have to be bigger than the ones. Hey, you're not throwing some in right here. How can they come out? Because look, invisible eggs are going into here.
Invisible eggs. And I'll put some already in the basket. I'll put some half circles over here. And then on this side,
Let's draw the egg so it doesn't start have no eggs.
I'll put some coming down the little ramps. Now what I like to do is on the eggs, because they're moving, I like to put like two little marks along the side to show that it's movement. So you'll see what I'm doing here. I put two little marks here, little mark there. Or you can even put a couple of them. Usually I don't like to go more than 3. But it just shows that it's kind of moving. The eggs are moving a little bit. And we have
I just put in 2 lines.
And for my eggs, I might do some patterns, and then later on I will...
No, how does it get its patterns?
It goes through the Painter 2000.
It drops the designs on it?
It paints the designs on them.
Yeah.
It's a special machine. Okay, right now what we're going to do is we're going to make a helicopter. Lucas was talking about that the Easter Bunny Patrol needs to transport the eggs, and they use a helicopter. Okay, right now what you're going to do to draw the helicopter is it'll be kind of like a half of an oval, going in like this, coming around.
This one is picking up the basket.
And then right here I'm going to make kind of an upside down U, and then I'll come back around, and I'm not going to join the 2 lines together yet. All right, So now I'm going to bring this back around right here, and then I'm going to draw a circle right here. And on that circle, I'm going to draw a blade coming around like this, and another blade right here. And then up on the top, I'm going to bring a line, curved line that comes up here, and another curved line that comes up here. And then I'll draw another very, very long oval. This will be the blades of the helicopter. Just like that.
Nice.
Okay. And then I'll go ahead and...
Maybe you should make maybe you can make like a window so you can see out.
Exactly. Then we're going to go ahead and make a window. That'll be a curved line coming like this. And then up. And I'm also going to make another line right underneath that, just to add a little thickness if there's a rim around that. And I'll just put some little dots inside there. Like that. And then I'm also going to make a big circle right here.
Okay.
And I'm going to outline my big circle with another circle.
Around it?
Mm-hmm.
Like a window?
Yeah, and inside of that, I'm also going to put some dots. These will be like rivets. And then inside here, that's where I can draw my Easter Bunny. I'm going to go a little fast drawing the Easter Bunny, but if you look on my other videos, you'll see how I draw an Easter Bunny in more detail. So I kind of start with a curve here, draw some floppy ears, and of course the ears are hidden by the other. So you can't see all of the ears because the window is there. The face comes down.
This claw. I can add some more details.
And I'm going to go ahead and draw another Easter Bunny right here.
I'm making some more designs.
And then I'm going to draw some floppy ears. This one is flying the helicopter. Bring the head down. Draw some eyes.
Making some more designs.
And these two Easter bunnies are picking up the basket, so we're going to have like a claw that comes down like this with kind of like a upside down U. This will be like a magnet that holds onto the basket. And then I'm going to draw the handle of the basket right here, and I'll connect those lines here in a minute. And then I'll go make a curved line like this, bring it down.
Make designs on the basket.
Yeah, just like that. We're having fun just imagining how Easter eggs are made. And then you want to draw some eggs that are inside this basket. Just half circles like that at first. And then you can go in later and color some of those eggs.
I think these things are like, I just make some new designs, like it has actually rocket boosters.
Hello, Kitty. Kitty is looking at our Easter egg making machine here. And then go ahead and just add some little bit of eye candy on your helicopter. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show today. I hope you had a fun time making our Easter egg painted machine in our helicopter. It's kind of a fun way to think of how Easter eggs are made. And I would love to see your creation on how you think Easter eggs are made.
Yeah, put it in the comments below.
Definitely. Put it down in the comments below. Hey, check out our other videos on here. Right now we're going to be doing some color time, and I hope you have a fun day. Adios. Bye-bye.